I created an AI spec ad with just one single image.
Woke the beast. Broke the cage. Now it wears me. Bestia. Wear the beast inside.
The process is really not that difficult. You just need one strong image that you will use repeatedly. I somehow liked an image of such ape in a leather jacket that I found on Midjourney, so I did little tweaks and created my version of it. As you can see, the character looks quite strong. The whole image is really great for this type of work. And what I did was I just upscaled this image and of course let it upscale once again in Magnific. It added texture and details, so I often do that before creating a video. And for videos I used a couple of AI tools. I used mostly Higgsfield for that because it has quite good pre-trained models and effects that I expected to help significantly because we only have one image and it's still limiting factor. I was therefore repeatedly uploading that image of a monkey and combining different models with different pre-trained looks or effects or styles. So with this approach I actually imagine in my head how I would that ad to look, what should happen, and then I was just repeatedly generating videos. As you can see, it's here, arc right, then some zoom in. I won't show every single one because you can see those that I used in my ad. This is like robo arm, I guess. Yes, it is. So this was basically the most important and time consuming part to get a selection of the clips that I will actually use in the final ad. This took maybe half an hour, give or take. After that was done, I downloaded 12 that I picked, which I liked the most. I wasn't sure if I will use every single one, but I wanted to have options. No matter this being a spec ad, I want it to have some narration, at least a basic one. So what I also did was that I went for ChatGPT and I uploaded this image. Also, I have prompted it what I am about to do and prompted to give me a script for a voiceover and maybe a back shot. I really only wanted just a simple maybe voiceover text I could add into this piece so it feels a bit more complete than just a selection of generated videos. It was a little bit of back and forth. I then also realized that I do not have a fictional brand name just as well, so it came up with kind of great ideas and I liked the Bestia version, and then also this short script which I liked. It's strong, it fits the project, so I use that. Here we have narration, here we have script, here we have a backshot, and I needed someone to record it. Of course I was using AI generated voices, and for this one I used Wondercraft, which I really like to use. I also generated some sound effects there. It did quite a great job because if you hear it closely, there's a little bit of whispering in it, which I really liked, so I'm quite happy. And at this stage I had videos, I had voiceover, music was downloaded because I was a bit too lazy to generate one. So what I needed to do is to glue it together, and I did that in After Effects. And here, as you can see, it was quite a simple. I just needed to like sequence generated videos one after another, pick those that work best and add a bit of sound effects, also voiceover, music, and create a simple backshot at the end with just a bit of positioning keyframes. No big deal. Bestia, where the beast inside. And that's it. I think that due to circumstances and limitation of just one image, it turned out quite good. But I would really like to hear your take on that. So let me know what you think and stay tuned for the next one.
Woke the beast. Broke the cage. Now it wears me. Bestia.